Meet Alex, 26, from Sewell, New Jersey. Had a decision to make, got to LaSalle University in Philadelphia with a full scholarship. On the other hand, go to his dream school, New York University, with tuition, room and board on his own. His parents told him they weren't able to support him through school. So did the free application for federal student aid. They were not able to help him either. Now he lives with $250,000 of debt with state, private, and federal loans. Meet Whitney, 33, from New York. Started horribly with credit cards in college. Never stopped there, and by 2007 has maxed out 4 credit cards with $25,000 in debt. She was able to pay it all off with insurance money and selling a family home. Unfortunately, her bad habits did not change and has racked up all that debt again. This time, she acquired $55,000 in debt. In 2014, she has finally admitted she has a spending problem and declared bankruptcy. Whitney visited a bankruptcy lawyer and put the wheels in motion to file for Chapter 7, which allows individuals to start over in exchange for forfeiture of their assets and a diminished credit score. Meet Joe, 32, from Austin, Texas. At 29, Joe graduated from Harvard Business School and landed a well-paying job at a major technology company. Joe filled his life with the trappings that he felt befitted his new Ivy League credential. A new home, 2 cars, a motorcycle, and a monthly entertainment expense that regularly crept into the 4-figure mark. Recently, Joe has decided that he can't live like this forever. So he sold his extra car, his motorcycle, his road bike, and gadgets. Getting rid of all the vehicles brought in more cash to pay Joe's loans and saved him thousands of dollars in maintenance fees. So what can we learn from these 3 individuals? Well, personal finance is so important because when left unchecked, you can become like Alex, Whitney, or Joe. So here at Daddy Debt, I want to show you what personal finance engineered means. It's using tools like the ASH method to guide you to riches. It's using engineering concepts like programming to automate decisions for you, using math concepts like probability and statistics to manage risk. Without all of these tools and knowledge, the consequences will be bankruptcy, years of work to rebuild that credit score, and imprisonment to the banks. I want to mentor, educate, and give you the tools so that you will be the best version of yourself. I also want to learn from you, from your stories, from your experiences, what has worked for everyone out there. I have created many resources to motivate, share stories, and get help no matter which stage of life you are in. With that being said, if you haven't yet joined the Daddy Debt Facebook group to share your stories and get resources for help, make sure you do it now. Follow me on Instagram for motivational quotes and ideas. Follow me on Twitter for the latest news in the personal finance world. Check out my blog where I post about my life and what I'm doing to become successful. Make sure you comment below on what you think will help you become the best you can be. Now, I want to answer a few questions about myself. Over the weeks, I've been asking people for questions and you guys responded with tons of questions. So, I selected a few questions today to answer. I'm so excited to answer these questions so that you guys will have everything you need to be financially educated and something you can action by the end of this video. So let's get to the first question. I've been asked by Robina's Cuisine, which stocks are good to buy now? Well, that's a good question. As of today, it's really a mixed bag. My top 3 right now is ExxonMobil, Moderna, and Tesla. ExxonMobil stock ticker symbol XOM. One of the things I love about this company is that it never slashed the dividend. The current annual dividend rate is $3.48. Recently, many large banks upgraded ExxonMobil to buy. However, the consensus is still hold. Moderna, stock ticker symbol mRNA. Moderna is a huge success story with their COVID-19 messenger RNA vaccine, the first of its kind. Recently, Moderna had a small pullback because the company did not have as many vaccines delivered as expected. However, I think this company has a great potential in the short or medium term. Currently, Moderna has a buy rating from analysts. Then, Tesla, stock ticker symbol TSLA. Electric vehicles is an amazing technology combined with a sporty vehicle. There is nothing to love about them. There is nothing to love about them. Currently, analyst ratings is also hold. The next question I got is from DBM879, who asks, what is my engineering salary? Is it gross or net? And is that a common salary? Well, my current engineering salary, which is gross. After taxes, my net salary is. Here in Canada, there is income tax. We also have to pay for employment insurance and the Canadian pension plan. Some of the great benefits about most companies in Canada is that they provide health insurance, a retirement savings matching, and stock options. Most major companies are pretty competitive here in Canada, and this is a very common salary. The third question is also from DBM879, who asks, with buying a property almost every year and a bit, are you putting 20% down on each? And if so, how do you manage to save that? So, DBM879, I am putting 20% down in all my houses currently. This is to avoid the mortgage insurance because that is money spent that I'll never get back again. For the down payment, a majority of the money comes from investors. The second largest source for my down payment is from my career. Then, the third largest source is from my investment. Don't forget the ASH method because the career is part of the accumulate part of ASH. Investing is the save part of the ASH method. Make sure, if you haven't yet, check out my video here about the ASH method. To wrap everything up, I want to say that my mission for this YouTube channel is to provide great content for staying out of debt, tips on investing and saving. This will help you reach whatever dream goal you want. For me, it's to travel the world every year with my wife, live in a 2,000 square feet house, and hopefully become financially independent and retire early. If you can follow everything I've done so far in this channel, the result is becoming 95% of the way there to becoming a millionaire. Being this far along is so crazy to think about because I had a very normal upbringing. I didn't come from a super wealthy family. I'm just like 90% of everyday dads who work hard and budget hard to stay out of debt. I really hope that you guys will take the information that I have learned and shared with you guys and use it, because there is really no secret to doing these things except to keep watching my videos to stay motivated. Also, to come back and smash that like button. I also highly encourage each one of you to join my Daddy Debt Facebook group to continue your conversations over there. Make sure you comment below any questions you have for me in my next quarterly update. Well, that's it for today. I hope to see you guys soon, and thanks for watching. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.